Presenting the Noise ColorFit Pro 3 smartwatch. It is available in 6 color variants: smoke green, smoke grey, jet black, jet blue, rose pink and rose red. It has a true view display with 320 by 360 pixels resolution and 500 nits of brightness for enhanced clarity. ColorFit Pro 3 features a 1.55-inch HD color display with full touch screen for easy controls. It is 5 ATM certified, making it waterproof. The smartwatch has a battery life of up to 10 days. It is compatible with both Android and iOS. ColorFit Pro 3 comes with auto sports recognition that automatically tracks your walking and running. It also helps monitor your heart rate, sleep pattern, stress levels, and blood oxygen levels. It comes with 14 sports modes to cover all your daily activities. The dedicated NoiseFit app analyzes your health and shares detailed progress reports. Get smart notifications and reminders on your smartwatch. ColorFit Pro 3 comes with customizable and cloud-based watch faces. Inside the box, you will find ColorFit Pro 3 smartwatch, magnetic charger, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.